Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the part 2 on my 613 hair series that I'm doing real quick, which is me dyeing the hair. So if you guys are interested, let's just get into this video. It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee, and welcome back to my channel.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine Beats.
And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, you guys, so if you haven't seen me create this wig, I will link it in the iCard, and I will also throw it in the end screen. So the way in which I will be doing this wig is actually in the few colors. The underneath part of the wig is going to be made up of these two colors right now, which is a pink rose and a raspberry twist. At the top of the track, we are going to be doing a pink rose, and towards the end is going to be the raspberry twist. The reason as to why I'm doing it this way is because I want the top part of the hair to be a light color and then gradually fade into a heavier color. So as you guys can see, I am not doing the watercolor method. I have tried the watercolor method before, but I feel like the color does not stick as long. But that's just my personal opinion. What you see me doing is making sure that all the strands of the wig is actually receiving hair color. The way in which I'm doing this is I am grabbing a rat tail comb and I'm just going to comb through the hair. I realized that some areas were still 613, so I just went over with whatever color I had to do, and that's what you see me doing here. The reason as to why I added the aluminum foil was because I did not want the orange to seep on the pink. So the next hair colors I will be doing is orange and the red. The orange will be at the top and the red will be at the ends. What inspired this look was like an ombre effect with more of a peekaboo at the end. I feel like if I wanted more of a peekaboo effect, that a few more of the wefts should be more so the pink than the orange. But it was my first time doing something like this, so I'm actually happy with how it looks in the end, because you guys, in my opinion, I think it looks really awesome. All right, guys, so now I'm moving on to the actual frontal. I actually was pretty scared to put anything on the hair on the frontal just because I didn't want to stain the lace. Usually when people are doing like anything with 613, they would grab hairspray and like go over it, but I just went in. I found that if I use my hands a bit more instead of using the applicator, that it actually helps a lot. That's just what you see me doing hair. I'm using my hands, and then eventually I grab the rat tail comb and I just go in. The one piece of advice that I would say with working with hair color in 613 and a frontal or a closure is to make sure you work in small sections. You guys, this actually helps a lot, especially if you're not trying to stain the lace. I feel like if you work in smaller pieces, it's less prone to actually mess up the lace. And that's what you see me doing here right now. I just grab a small piece of hair and I go in with that first with the applicator, and then I will use my fingers or I would use the rat tail comb and go in with that. Okay, you guys, and here is how the wig look after I rinsed out the hair and I washed and I conditioned and I straightened the hair. If you are interested in seeing how I will be installing this, stick tuned for part 3. If you have any questions about anything that you saw or anything overall, feel free to drop that down in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the support and love that I'm receiving from each and every one of you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine.